In South LA, creative talent has always been here. There are young people in this community right now who know exactly what they want to create. They have the eye, they have the vision. What they've never had is a clear pathway into the fashion industry. Fashion school can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Professional equipment is expensive, and until now, no one has built a free, structured fashion education program in this neighborhood. Our Fashion Fellowship program meets students where they are in their own community at no cost. Over 6 months, students learn skills that turn ideas into opportunity. They learn to work with industrial equipment, construct garments, create original designs, and build the confidence to see themselves as part of this industry. Along the way, they develop portfolios, industry connections, and a community of peers who are growing alongside them. The journey culminates in a design showcase where students present their original work to fashion professionals and admissions representatives from LA's top fashion institutions. This is more than a sewing class. It's a pathway into an industry that has always been here, finally made accessible right here in South LA.